Transcription in animal cells. Eukaryotes. Hello everyone. Welcome to Science and Medical Lectures. Today, we are going to learn about transcription in animal cells. Transcription is the process by which genetic information in DNA is copied into RNA. Let's begin. Transcription is the first step of gene expression. In this process, the enzyme RNA polymerase uses a DNA template to synthesize messenger RNA, also called mRNA. In animal cells, transcription occurs inside the nucleus. Structure of DNA and RNA polymerase. DNA is made of two strands. During transcription, only one strand, called the template strand, is used. The enzyme RNA polymerase II binds to the DNA and starts the process. Step 1 - Initiation. The first stage of transcription is called initiation. RNA polymerase recognizes a specific DNA sequence called the promoter, usually containing a dotted box. Transcription factors help RNA polymerase bind to the promoter. Once attached, the DNA strands unwind. Step 2 - Elongation. The second stage is elongation. RNA polymerase moves along the DNA template strand. It adds RNA nucleotides that are complementary to the DNA bases. Adenine pairs with uracil, and cytosine pairs with guanine. The RNA strand grows in the 5-3 direction. Step 3 - Termination. The final stage is termination. RNA polymerase reaches a termination signal on the DNA. The newly formed pre-mRNA is released, and the DNA strands rejoin. RNA processing in animal cells. In animal cells, transcription produces pre-mRNA, which must be processed. 3 important modifications occur: addition of a 5, capacitation of a 3, poly-A tail splicing to remove introns after processing. Mature mRNA is ready to leave the nucleus. Importance of transcription. Transcription is essential for life. It allows cells to produce proteins needed for growth, repair, and metabolism. Without transcription, gene expression cannot occur. Summary. Let's summarize. Transcription occurs in the nucleus. It involves initiation, elongation, and termination. RNA processing is unique to eukaryotic cells. Thank you for watching.